Which synonym belongs to flagrant? The correct answer is blatant. Which synonym belongs to rabies? The correct answer is hydrophobia. Which synonym belongs to superannuated? The correct answer is over the hill. Which synonym belongs to cherubic? The correct answer is cherubical. Which synonym belongs to defamation? The correct answer is false light. Which synonym belongs to wanton? The correct answer is lewd. Which synonym belongs to facade? The correct answer is guise. Which synonym belongs to chorus? The correct answer is duet. Which synonym belongs to sundry? The correct answer is personal. Which synonym belongs to immorally? The correct answer is immorally. Which synonym belongs to palimpsest? The correct answer is codex rescriptus. Which synonym belongs to luminary? The correct answer is guiding light. Which synonym belongs to impetuous? The correct answer is rash. Which synonym belongs to consequential? The correct answer is considerable. Which synonym belongs to ghastly? The correct answer is lurid. Which synonym belongs to wary? The correct answer is scrupulous. Which synonym belongs to supernal? The correct answer is celestial. Which synonym belongs to putative? The correct answer is reputed. Which synonym belongs to latent? The correct answer is dormant. Which synonym belongs to dominate? The correct answer is prevalent.